guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I am going to show you a super simple, super easy, super affordable and yet really delicious taco salad recipe. I think we eat this in my house if not every week, every other week. This is a favorite. As you see, I started by washing all the produce or vegetables that I'm gonna be using. But before I cut them, I'm gonna cook my ground beef first. I didn't use any oil since the meat produced its own oil. For seasonings, I use salt, pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of cayenne pepper and fresh minced garlic. I'm cooking 3 pounds of ground beef, but I really didn't measure any of the seasoning, guys. I just kinda eyeball it. You'll see it here. I cook this lots of times, so I just kinda know by heart of how much I'm gonna use and need. Also, I don't use the same amount of ground beef all the time, so it kinda also depend on that. Between me, my son, and my husband, with this amount of ground beef, we would just have a little bit of leftover. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle, I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to an 8 years old sweet boy. I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. I upload new videos every single week about cleaning, organization, and mommy lifestyle. I did turn down the fire a little bit. Now, while this is cooking, let's start cutting the vegetables. For my veggies or my toppings, I'm using lettuce, tomatoes, and jalapenos. I put avocado on mine too, but my son and my husband don't eat avocado, so I guess more for me. I like avocado. Do you like avocado? Please leave an avocado emoji in the comment box below if you like avocado. I think that will be fun. My son and my husband would also put shredded cheddar cheese on their taco salad. I don't because I get sick when I eat cheese. I am not really sure if I have lactose intolerance. I don't know because some days I would eat cheese and I'm fine, but for the most part, I do get sick. As a working mom, I am always busy and rushing and never really have enough time to do everything at home. So I'm always thinking of ways to make my life at home a bit easier. I work 5 days a week, about 8 to 10 hours a day, depending how busy we are at work. When I get home, I still have to make dinner after a long tiring day of work, so I'm always looking for ways to do it in a fast, easy way without sacrificing a good, tasty meal. To all the moms out there, whether you're staying at home and taking care of the kids while doing all the house chores or working and taking care of the kids, I wanted you to know what you're doing every day is truly amazing and you're a champ, the real superhero.
I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way.
I do like to clean up as I go so I don't end up with a whole lot of mess after cooking. Now that my ground beef is done, it's time to eat! So the first bowl that I'm making is for my son. He only likes the meat, the lettuce, and the cheese. Lots of cheese. Now this next bowl is for me. My husband is still at work He wouldn't come home for another 3 to 4 hours, so my son and I would eat first, and then he just eats when he gets home. I hope you get some good tips about this video. If you happen to try this for your next lunch or dinner, I would really love it if you take a picture and tag me on my Instagram. My link will be in the description box below.
Is it good? Well,
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Here I'm starting to clean. Like I mentioned earlier, my husband is not home yet. He wouldn't come home for another couple hours. So that's why I still have a lot of leftover. My husband doesn't eat taco salad. He likes burritos. So every time I would cook this recipe, I always make sure I have tortilla wraps in my pantry because that's how he likes to eat this. To clean my stove, I will first wipe this with soap and water using my dish sponge. And then I'll wipe all this mess and grease with paper towel. Now to make this shiny, I'm using my Weimann stainless steel cleaner and it leaves it very sparkly. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope I inspire you in any way. Don't forget to like if you enjoy this so I can make more videos like this. Subscribe and share this to your friend that likes salads or taco salads or even burrito. I truly appreciate you watching and I love you all so much. I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!